So now let's see how we can use the choose function inside of Google Sheets. So I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to press equals right here and I'm going to type in choose just like this. So once I do that, I can choose out the value. So I'm going to take a reference as this cell right here, A1 cell. And then I'm going to press comma right here. And then I'm going to open up double inverted comma right here. So let's say the first option is yes right here. And then I can press comma and then I can add another option as no, just like this. I can go around over here and type in maybe as well. That is yes, no, maybe. And then another one is absolutely right here, just like this. And then I'm going to say no way, just like this. All right, so I got some options right here. You can also throw in some numbers, but for that you do not need the inverted comma. And if I were to close this, then this is what you have. So it says num right here, error, because there's no value right here. So if I were to press 0, you don't see anything because there's nothing in the 0 range right here. If you were to press 1, then you can see that you see the first option, 2, you see the second, 3, you see the third option, 4th and 5th, you can see right here, and 6, you got the number, just like that. So if I were to pull this out over here, then you can go around and then type in these things. So if I were to go around and then type in these things, you can see that the values can be generated just like this. So if I were to pull this out, the values will be randomly generated over here. So if I were to go around over here, there you go, the absolute values. And then you can see that everything is randomly generated just like this, as you can see, and you got the value over here. So if you want to generate out data like this by using the choice as a reference, then you can use the choose function. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.